So welcome back guys. Today we will see about forward error correction. This is one kind of error correction mechanisms. So I'll get into the concept straight away. The basic point over here to remember is it will have a table, and this table will be maintained by sender as well as receiver. Okay, now how it will identify the errors and how it will correct it. Let's see. Assume that I have data, like I'm going to transmit my data, and my data is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. Let's assume that you want to transmit the data from source to destination. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll split up accordingly this data. I'll split up accordingly based on the table. So you can see each pair of bits, you can place them as a frame, which is your actual data. But for transmission, you're not going to send the data, you're going to transmit the code word. Whenever if you append any kind of bits by doing some logical operations on the data, we call it as a code word. Here the code word is generated based on the table entry. So let's get into it. So I'm going to send the data, which is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. So assume that this is my actual data. Okay, but for the purpose of transmission, I'm going to send a frame which is a code word. So for 0 0, if you refer this table while filling up this, so what is a 0 0 code? It is all zeros, 5 zeros, and for sorry, it's 0 1. So I'm sorry, 1 1 0 0, and for 0 0 it is all zeros, and for 0 1 again it is 1 1 0 0, and for 1 1 you have 0 all ones, and again 0 all ones, and for 1 0 it is 1 0 0 1 1, and for the last 0 0 which is all zeros. So this will be my frame that will be transmitted. Okay, now let's understand very clearly. When this frame got transmitted from sender to the receiver, so during the transmission, few of these slots got disturbed and became erroneous. Okay, when they changed their values during transmission. Now how to identify them and how to rectify them back? Let's see that. For example, I'm trying it out from the receiver end. So on the receiver side, I have received the frame in this way. Okay, let us assume first byte, that is 1 1 1 0 0. Second part, that is 1 all zeros. Third one, which is 1 1 1 1 0. Fourth bit, which is a position 4. Okay, so that is 0 all ones, and fifth position, which is 0 1 0 1 0. Sixth position, which is 1 0 0 1 1, and seventh position, which is 1 0 0 1 1. Assume that this also 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, now this is a frame which I have received after transmission. So to make it clear to understand, I have just simply highlighted those bits which are changed. Okay, these are not the values what I have sent, but they changed their positions. Okay, second one, this one, and this one. You can clearly see that. So these zeros became this, and this value became this, and this value became this. Now how to correct them. As I told you, this table will be maintained at the receiver end also. Okay, so based on this table, what we are going to do is, for example, for the mistake one, whatever I have occurred, this one, okay, so I'll note the number. This is what I have received. Now what I'll do is, I'll perform XOR operation on all the value entries in the table, that is all zeros. If I do XOR operation on the all zeros, okay, so I'll get 1, okay, 1 value. If I perform XOR operation on the second value, that is 11100, so when both are equal, you got 2 ones, which is 2. On the third value, that is 100, third value, which is 10011, where all these 3 gone, so again 2. And the last one, 10, all ones, so this simply gives you 5. Yes, because you will get 5 ones. Okay, so now I have performed XOR operation with the received byte, or you can simply say the slot value, with the specific code word. Now I have received 4 values, 1, 2, 2 and 5. So this value, this particular value is having minimum distance. That means minimum number of ones we have received it when you compare these two. So I'll go with this one. That means I'll replace the received byte with this value, which is all zeros, which is matching with your exact code. So first condition, that is solved. When you receive wrong slot value, then you are going to perform XOR operation with all the value entries in the table, and you are going to replace with the minimum one. This is the first condition. Okay, now let's see with the second one. So this is done. Second one, this one, 0 1 0 1 0. So I'm waiting it, 0 1 0 1 0. This is completely a new series which is not even available in the table, not even available. So I have to find it out again with the XOR operations. So I'm performing for the first one, that is 0 1 0 1 0 with with all zeros. So you will get 2 ones. Going to second one, that is 0 1 0 1 0. I'm going to do with 11100. This is gone, this is gone. We'll get 3 ones, difference 3. Third one, which is 0 1 0 1 0, we are performing with 10011. So you can check, this is gone and this is gone. We'll get 3. The last one, fourth one, where 0 1 0 1 0, when you perform the same with 0 all ones, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, you'll get 2. Now let's understand one simple thing. Here the minimal value is 2, but I received it twice. So which ones to consider? Then in this case, you clearly remember that you need retransmission for this part. Once again, if a minimal distance is 1 and there is no repetition, you're going to simply change it. If a minimal distance is 2 and they are repeated, 2 I got twice. So I got 2 here, I got 2 here. I cannot replace it with any of these. So I'll go for the retransmission of this one. Now last one, let's see, this is pretty much interesting over here. I have received 10011 instead of all zeros. Now when you see this 10011, there is an entry here, 10011. So receiver won't complain anything to the sender because it don't know whether sender has sent a 00 or 10. It will go for the entry. If the entry is available in the table, then it will take this value as 10 into consideration, which is an error. Okay, that means in these special conditions where in the transmission your data became corrupted and unfortunately the same data entry is available in the code word section of the table, then that becomes an error. For that kind, you need other techniques other than this one. So hope you understand this topic. So I'll get back to you again with a new one. Thank you.